Ow.
Say hey. We not even halfway done with their gifts yet. That's for me. Ooh. Ooh, is that a I don't know, I don't even know what that is.
It's an off-brand baby line.
Come on, buddy. Look what Nana got you. Duty got a computer. You said what? Look. You taking selfies. Now it's time for the big kids to open their gifts. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, I did ask for this. It's a dash cam. Oh, this is a good speaker. I'm gonna have to show this to Jennifer. Take that to McDonald's with me. You did do this cute paper. I'm scared to rip it apart. You just put foil on. Oh, that's cute. What you?
Oh, it's a tea. That's so freaking little. They are.
Like it. What did he say on it? She can't even read it. Where you get that from? No, Ross. Ooh, he got you an air fryer. Ooh, he got you the Drew Barrymore. Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am finally back with a brand new video for you guys today. It is finally that time of year. Today's video is going to be my what I got for Christmas haul for 2024. So for like the last 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 years, I have been doing this video. I've done it literally every single year on December 25th. And I was like, 2024 will not be the year that I stop. So we're at it again. But before we get into this video, there is one quick thing that I have to do. Disclaimer time. I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. These videos are very, very common here on YouTube. We've been doing them for years. If you do feel like I am trying to brag or that I'm ungrateful or anything like that, please click off this video right now. This is your warning. If you're still here, then obviously you want to watch the video. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, which is linked in the down bar below. And make sure y'all go follow me on all my social media. Although I'm not as active on YouTube, I am very active on all of my other social media platforms. So definitely go engage with me on those. It's time to get into this what I got for Christmas video. So yeah, let's get into it. So y'all, I got gifts from my mom, my sister, my aunt, a couple of people at my job. First, we're going to start with what I got myself for Christmas. So the first thing that I got myself is probably my most biggest purchase this year. I got me a Marc Jacobs tote bag. So this is the medium-sized Marc Jacobs tote, just the color black, and it is kind of dirty because I have had it since like the beginning of December. But the reason why I wanted it is just because I've been needing a new purse. And originally I wanted the Marc Jacobs snapshot, and I'll insert a picture here. I wanted that bag originally, but then I was like, well, maybe I should get me a real purse first, and then we'll work on getting the other bag later. I have been wearing it, and it does have like all of my stuff in there right now. Your wallet, sunglasses, lip gloss, all that good jazz. Besides the bag, I also bought this strap. Now it did come with just a plain black strap, but I really wanted a strap that said the Marc Jacobs on it because I just like the way this one looked. And I just love this because I don't have to wear it like this, like a regular purse. I can just put this on my shoulder, wear it as a crossbody, wear it just like on one shoulder. Like it's very fun. So the next gift that I got for myself was just a bunch of stuff from Bath and Body Works. So first and foremost, I got 3 new sprays. This first one is just the regular old champagne toast. I also got 1,000 Wishes, which I've already started using this. I think there's only like half a bottle left in here. And then this last scent was actually a online exclusive. This is the Cozy Vanilla Bourbon scent. I don't know how to explain it, but it smells really good. It's kind of giving like champagne toast and like vanilla bean Noel had a baby. And then also from Bath and Body Works, I got 3 new lotions. So the first one is just the OG Japanese Cherry Blossom. I think I also bought the body wash in this too, but that is completely empty because I've already used that. So I got that as well. And then I also got the Indie Stars, and then I also got the Champagne Toast. So y'all, next I'm gonna go into all the gifts that were actually gifted to me and not the stuff that I bought for myself. So for the first gift, this is actually a gift that came from my boss at my optometry job. So a couple of weeks ago we had our Christmas party, and one of the games we played was White white elephant, and these are one of the gifts in the game. I was very excited to get it and be able to take it home. So this is just the black Stanley cup, but the thing I like about this one is that the logo Stanley and this little stripe that they have up here is not just a solid color. It's kind of like a chrome color, so it has like green, blue, and purple mixed into there. It's so funny because I've actually been wanting this exact cup in this exact color. I do have my OG Stanley here, which is just a plain white one, but just to get this one because it's such a different color. I also do have a few decor items on the cup, so a little straw cover, a boot, and then also this little keychain here. And if y'all just didn't see, this is my OG Stanley that I got back in the summer for myself. It also has the straw cover, and then this one has the handle. And the reason I'm showing y'all this is because the accessories were actually a gift from my Secret Santa at that same exact Christmas party, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1 deal there. And then also at the Christmas party, my Secret Santa got me this Instax Mini 2-pack of film. I've already put one in my little camera, but this is just the other pack. So basically it's just the Polaroid film. Thank you so much, Dakota and Dr. Tran. So y'all, I actually lied. There was one more gift that I got from Dr. Tran, and this is a air inflator for like your tires for your car. And he actually gave one of these to everybody on the team, just so I guess we wouldn't use the excuse of having a flat tire so we can't come to work. So y'all, the next gift is from my Aunt Tony. For me and my sister, she sent us these aromatherapy humidifiers. But the thing I like about this one is it has like a LED light built into it, so you connect it to Wi-Fi and you download the little app on your phone and you can change the different colors and everything. My aunt also got us this separate pack of essential oils. So this is by a brand called Pure Aroma. It has 6 different essential oils. So it has sweet orange, lavender, tea tree, lemongrass, peppermint, and eucalyptus. So next I got a gift card. This is actually from my sister's boyfriend, D'Everett, and thank you so much, D'Everett. He got me a $40 Bath and Body Works gift card. I didn't even know he would give me a gift for Christmas, but I do appreciate it, so can't wait to go shop with this. So next I'm going to show y'all everything that my sister got me. So for the first gift, she got me this really cute Juicy Couture backpack. It's just like gray, and on the top it says like Juicy Couture. It also comes with this separate pouch on the side, and this would make a really cute like makeup bag. And inside it has 2 pairs of, or not 2 pairs, but 1 pair of these cute little pink socks with a white heart on them. So y'all, the next thing I got from my sister is this really nice wireless speaker. I was telling her like before Christmas that I really needed a portable speaker. It's called Fury XL. It's the name of the speaker, and it's just in a nice mint green color. And it does say that it has up to 15 hours of playtime. It's water resistant, so I can use this thing in like the shower or just have it in the restroom with me while I'm taking a shower. So y'all, the last thing that I got from my sister is this nice Dove body care set. So it comes with a bar soap, a body wash, a body scrub, and also a mini loofah. And the scent is like a cherry. It says crushed cherries and chia milk. So y'all, everything else that I'm going to show y'all in this haul comes from my mom. So thank you, mama, in advance. So first things first, my mama got me a James Avery charm. This one is just a letter T, and it looks like this. I don't even know if y'all can see it. It's literally so tiny. I went to go grab my James Avery bracelet, and this is what it looks like currently. I'm thinking about putting a T here next to my dog mom charm. So the next gift my mom got me is this really nice razor and shaving gel set. It comes with 2 different types of razors. One of the ones that you actually use to shave your body, and then one of the ones that you can use for like your eyebrows. And then it has the Skintimate brand Skin Therapy Sensitive Moisturizing Shave Gels. Next, my mom got me another little body care set. So this is by the brand Caress, which I love me some Caress. If y'all don't know, I love their bar soap. But anyways, this one comes with the bar soap, the body wash, and also 2 mini travel size body washes. So next, my mom got me a couple of things from Bath and Body Works. So she got me this little cute body set. So it comes with a body spray, a pocket bag, and also a mini lotion. And this is just in the Japanese cherry blossom scent. And then she got me 2 little pocket bags, and these are in the scents Winter Candy Apple and also Fresh Balsam. So y'all, the next thing I got for Christmas is just some AirPods Pro, and I'm very excited for these just because this was like a top item on my list. For the last few months, I've literally been using just the OG Apple headphones with the cord. The current AirPods I have, they stopped working like a year ago. They still work, it's just that they're so low. I was like, please mama, can you please give me these for Christmas? And I'm so happy she did. I haven't set them up yet. They're literally still in the plastic packaging and stuff, but I can't wait to use these just because, you know, they're gonna come come in handy when I start school. They're gonna come in handy when I'm at work. So the next thing my mom got me, I'm actually really excited for. This is a dual channel dash cam. I've been wanting the dash cam for the longest time now, not because I can't drive, it's because everybody else cannot drive. I was like, let me get one of those just in case something happens. I got the proof. This dash cam is called the Airy Phase Q4. It says it has dual cameras, so one for 4K and one for 1080p. It connects to Wi-Fi. It has a front camera that gets 160 degrees and the rear camera gets 150. It has super night vision. It also said it works when you park. From the looks of it, it has like a clock on there, and then this is the actual camera part. We're almost done, y'all, I promise. So the next thing I got is just a pair of slippers, and so these are called Deer Foams Cozy Comfort Slippers. Apparently they are machine washable, temperature regulating, and you can wear them indoors or outdoors. They're just in the color black. They just look like some standard house slippers, which are very great because I love me a good pair of house slippers. So the next thing my mom got me is just a $50 MasterCard gift card. I'm really excited for this because I could always use the extra 50 bucks. So y'all, the last official thing that I got from my mom is something that I was not expecting whatsoever, and I actually did not ask for this on my list, but this has been like on my wish list for just myself, that I've wanted to get myself for literally this entire year. This is a rechargeable vacuum cleaner. It's by this brand called Pretty Care. I haven't took it out the box, but y'all can kind of see like what it looks like. It kind of looks like one of those special Dyson vacuum cleaners that you can use on either hardwood or like carpet or whatever. Cleaning up after a dog that sheds like crazy is very tiring, and you basically never stop cleaning up. So hopefully this will kind of help control some of the dog hair that we have around the house and make it a little bit easier to clean it all up. So y'all, that was all for my what I got for Christmas haul for 2024. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also make sure y'all follow me on all my social media, which is linked in the down below, and also make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I don't even know how I forgot to say that. And I hope y'all have a merry Christmas. I hope y'all had the best year in 2024, and if you didn't have a good year this year, I hope 2025 is amazing for you. I'll see y'all when I do. So yeah, bye bye.